Welcome back, and in our top business story, Dubai is looking to launch a dual-tranche Islamic bond as soon as possible and will be Dubai's first sukuk since 2009. The 5- and 10-year benchmark sukuk is expected to attract healthy investor demand, according to experts. According to Reuters news agency, Citigroup, HSBC, the National Bank of Abu Dhabi and Dubai Islamic Bank have been mandated to lead the bond that could raise up to $1.5 billion. Trouble in the Eurozone has meant that conventional bonds have lost their appeal, and Dubai can now take advantage of investor interest into Islamic bonds, as well as highlight its safe haven status. Dubai last tapped debt markets in 2011 when it issued a $500 million 10-year bond with a 5-year put option. Smartphones are taking the region by storm, and most mobile users in the MENA region will have a smartphone this time next year. That's according to new research. Global firms are pouring investments into the region, with competition in the smartphone sector dominated by the likes of Apple iPhone and BlackBerry. Smartphone producers such as Nokia are now targeting the community who can't afford expensive models. Nokia announced the launch of its Asha range devices in the UAE today, which includes 4 new affordable smartphones. The company also noted that Middle East consumers tend to replace more frequently compared to other markets.
What we realize is that so many people out there want smartphones. What we're expecting and seeing already is that there's been very, very strong uptake. So what we realize is that there are many people out there who, as I mentioned, don't want to spend a lot of money on their device, but they want the same experience and they want to be part of the digital world. There's a huge number of consumers who want these solutions, and we're bridging the divide and providing a competitive option for them to be part of this global digital world.
And let's now take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And looking to other news, the Netherlands is one of 4 Euro countries with a coveted AAA rating, but concerns over its finances have remained in the background. The breakdown of government talks in the Netherlands follows a warning from ratings agency Fitch that the country was on the verge of a downgrade in its credit status due to high debt. So what is the likelihood of the Netherlands losing its AAA rating, and what sort of effect might this have on the EU? What lies ahead? Well, we earlier spoke with Philippe Dauba-Pantanacce, the senior economist at Standard Chartered Bank.
Well, what is for sure is that in the political crisis that unfolded in the Netherlands, disagreements over the Europe austerity measures that were demanded was the main source of that political crisis. But make no mistake, in the Netherlands, contrary to other countries maybe, every single party in the parliament actually agree to cut the spending and rise taxes. And everybody agrees on the need to actually diminish, generally speaking, the deficits. Now, the problem is much how much and how to get there. Now, in terms of the AAA rating and how it has been maybe endangered by some of the rating agencies, I think really there's nothing new. This came after several months after S&P already put the Netherlands on negative watch. And also it is important to keep in mind that whatever happens for the Netherlands and its AAA rating, if we look at the other countries that have been downgraded, such as the US or France, it did not have so much of an impact on the markets.